Assalamu alaikum guys. In this video we'll talk about how to prevent models from accessing to non-existing attributes. For example, if we open PHP Artisan Tinker here and I will say user first, right? Or even it's assigned to a variable user. And if I try to access to ID, for example, it exists. Also for name, it exists. But what if we try to access non-existing attribute like this? It will return null. So how can we enforce Laravel to return error for non-existing attributes? It's easy. We can open app service provider here inside providers, and in boot model we can say model Eloquent, this one, and here we can say prevent access missing attributes and save. Now if I reopen Tinker again, I will say user first here and user any random attribute. I will get this error. The attribute, this one, doesn't exist, right? If we create an attribute for it, for example, I will say function get test attribute like this. I will say return test. Then if I reopen it again, user first and user test here, this one. It's good also for typo errors. Instead of returning null, it warns you this attribute doesn't exist. It returns test also. If I say name, it's fine. So here is quickly how to return only the existing attributes in model. If you found it useful, support me by clicking on like, share and subscribe. See you next videos.